yeah, so that's it from Fuerteventura. No, that's not it from Fuerteventura. Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So I decided to leave Fuerteventura and try to explore a bit in La Palma. So I'm right now on the way to Puerto del Rosario, from where I will take the ferry for 10 hours to Tenerife, and tomorrow in 4 hours to La Palma. Yeah, I'm super happy to go there because I have no idea what is expecting me, but some friends are there and they say it's amazing. But yeah, here in Fuerteventura I had really good times. One morning we did a sunrise hike. Thanks for waking me up. It was hard to wake up so early, but yeah, we did it, and we walked to the volcano in Corralejo. We did a little bit of tricky way, but yeah, it was really nice when we were on the top. Yeah, I think let's throw back. I was on that volcano already about 10-15 times. Every time there you do like something new. This time was the first time that I've seen the sunrise up there, and yeah, it really looked beautiful. And yeah, I have to say, Corralejo, it's kind of my second home. I've spent already so much time there. But I think if I would move to Fuerteventura, I would move to Lajares, the surf city, because there it's a super chill vibe and really nice. There is also a skate bowl that was a DIY project, so the whole community helped and it came out pretty nice. So yeah, next week it will come my second try of sandboarding here in Corralejo with some friends, and if you want to see that video, subscribe to my channel, and you can also feel free to like that video or share it. And yeah, see you next week. Bye guys.